Hi, I'm Ottilie. I'm a senior product manager here at Feefo, and today I'm answering all of your questions on our new product, Feefo Social, and how it interacts with the retail sector. I think UGC matters hugely for retail, and there are two key things that I would highlight here. One is the whole expectation versus reality piece. I think it's incredibly important for consumers to have an authentic view on what products they're actually receiving, how other people interact with them, and what they look like outside of a perfectly lit studio. And the second one is for brands to be able to scout out potential partnerships. So if you've got social media creators who are using your products regularly and you're looking for branded content and branded deals that you could do with them, it's a great avenue to sort of scout out those people who are already creating content. Say there are three key reasons here. One is about driving traffic to your website and keeping people on site when they have purchase intent. It links into the second one, which is on social media, you obviously have a plethora of different brands and you're competing with the other brands. Whereas when someone's on your website, they're just looking at your products and interacting with your content. So it's a way of keeping people on site, keeping people interacting with your content in a place where you don't have competition. And then thirdly, it's a less saturated platform to highlight those products. So you're able to actually showcase the different individual benefits of the things you're selling without all the noise.